Oh, it's really funny. Oh, naughty Seagull is making a right mess. Oh, he's got some chips. He's going back after it. He's just got this big bag and then he's like, Master, who leaves chips? That's what I want to know. Who leaves chips in a McDonald's bag?
Everywhere.
Who's going after it? Look! He's like, where's my chips? I can't see him. Oh, there he is. He's, oh, it's so funny. Oh, you're clever, look. Oh, what a mess. You see what he did? He dragged the bag so that the food falls out.
He stood in front of a car.
Oh, that's so funny.
The bag's all over there.